Alright, so I thought we'd take this opportunity to go through what's in my pack, and I'll show you what I walk and hike with daily. Okay, so starting up on this end, close to me, I have a first aid kit. Now the first aid kit is waterproof, and it is just a little dry bag. Now inside there, I won't load everything out, but it has bandages, snake kits for in case I get bitten by a snake, antiseptic, band-aids, all that kind of really important stuff. In this little wallet here, it has all my pharmaceuticals. So it has painkillers, anti-inflammatories, anything that I may need in case I get injured and I'm in trouble pain-wise. Here I have a shemagh. So a shemagh is like a large scarf, and it has over 100 uses. I have done actually a video in the past on why this is my favorite bit of equipment, so if you want to check that one out, do so. I also carry a spare pair of jocks, some socks, bamboo socks. I love bamboo socks, very nice soft material, and I have a leather strap so I can bind all that together so it doesn't take up too much room. Here I have a rain jacket. It's 120 grams, folds into this pocket, and it can also go on the outside there like that. Really good rain jacket. Here I have an emergency accident blanket, so in case I do get caught out in the night, I can wrap myself up in that. As I mentioned earlier, here is my flick blade that I do carry on myself. Now it does have a fire flint and steel, so I can start a fire if I need to. There we go, we got it going. It also has a torch, has a small compass and a whistle, so extra protection. Also, as I mentioned on myself, I always carry a compass, a really good heavy duty compass, but I do believe it is important to know how to navigate naturally, either by using the sun. Here I have a really good head torch. It has different modes, red flashing. It also has 3 different light modes there. Here's the 500ml flask that just goes next to my chest. Pen, piece of paper, crayon. I do believe crayons are flammable as well, so I can use that as a fire starter, and in case the pen runs out. I do have a really large 1 litre dry bag in case I need to put my clothes, my wet socks or wet jocks in there. I have spare headphones and headphone rubbers. I have another waterproof bag, so if it was raining, I would put my mobile phone in this bag, and then I would put that in the rain jacket to keep my mobile phone dry. This is a solar panel charger, 5,000 milliwatts, I think it is believed, charges either by solar or by electricity. Moving through this quite quickly, we're running through rope and twine, which is also flammable, and this all weighs nothing. This is like 2-3 grams. Now this is my pride and joy. This is my survival kit. So my survival kit has a range of things. It has waterproof and windproof and stormproof matches, has water purification, it has knife, fire starters, whistles, torches, compass, more fire steels, dry bags, flick blades, everything you would need in a 24-hour emergency. First aid kit in the back, as I said. This all zips up really nice and tight and is made by VanQuest. It also has loop attachments either side, but there's a lot of really handy stuff, a pen, a whistle as well, really handy stuff. Sometimes I might take a trekking pole if I know that it's going to be tough terrain. If it's going to be very cold and wet all day, I will swap this out for a beanie. But yeah, I hope you're all well and happy hiking.